In this video, I'll show you how to run right-to-left fixer on Windows 10 when Arabic is the displayed language. Before the solution, let's see what the problem is. I tried to write the letter lam and alif. As you can see, synthetic change is made when I type alif and lam, which creates lam-alif combination. To fix this issue, we need to create a new user. This user will display a different language than Arabic. First, let's create the new user. In this case, I'm making the user as an administrator. This is not mandatory. Switch to the newly created user. Now I will change the displayed language from Arabic to English. If you want a different language, you can do so, just not Arabic. As you can see, now everything works as it should. Lam and alif now creates lam-alif. Alif and lam creates alif and lam.